Kitchen Faucet Finish Trends 2026. Kitchen design evolves with time, and faucet finishes play a crucial role in defining the overall aesthetic. As we look ahead to 2026, trends indicate a blend of elegance, durability, and innovation. Here are the key kitchen faucet finish trends that will dominate the market. 1. Matte black dominance. Matte black faucets will continue to be a strong favorite, offering a sleek, bold, and sophisticated look. This finish complements modern, industrial, and even farmhouse-style kitchens, making it a versatile choice. Manufacturers are also enhancing matte black with better resistance to fingerprints and water spots, ensuring a cleaner appearance with minimal maintenance. 2. Brushed brass elegance. Brushed brass is making a luxurious statement in high-end kitchen designs. This finish exudes warmth and richness while blending well with neutral and earthy tones. Unlike polished brass, the brushed version has a softer, muted appearance that resists smudges and fingerprints, making it both stylish and practical. 3. Satin nickel's timeless appeal. Satin nickel remains a top contender due to its classic and understated charm. It works well with various kitchen styles, from traditional to contemporary. In 2026, satin nickel faucets will feature improved anti-tarnish coatings, ensuring longevity and ease of maintenance. 4. Copper's rustic comeback. Copper faucets will experience a resurgence, especially in rustic and farmhouse-style kitchens. The natural aging process of copper, which develops a unique patina over time, adds character to any space. With advancements in sealing technology, homeowners can choose between a living finish or a protected, non-changing copper appearance. 5. Gunmetal for a bold statement. Gunmetal finishes will gain popularity for their edgy, industrial look. They provide a unique alternative to traditional silver and black tones, offering a dark, muted sheen that pairs beautifully with minimalist and high-tech kitchen designs. Gunmetal faucets are also known for their durability and resistance to scratches. 6. Mixed metal accents. Combination finishes will be a major trend in 2026, with faucets featuring mixed metal accents such as matte black with gold handles or stainless steel with brass trims. This approach adds contrast and visual interest, allowing homeowners to blend different elements seamlessly within their kitchens. 7. White faucets for a fresh look. White kitchen faucets will rise in popularity as homeowners seek a clean and fresh aesthetic. Whether in a glossy or matte finish, white faucets provide a minimalist yet stylish touch. They pair well with modern and Scandinavian kitchen themes, enhancing brightness and openness. 8. Smart finishes with self-cleaning technology. Technology is influencing faucet finishes, with self-cleaning and antimicrobial coatings becoming more common. These smart finishes actively resist bacteria, stains, and water spots, ensuring that the faucet remains hygienic and low maintenance. 9. Eco-friendly and sustainable coatings. Sustainability is shaping kitchen trends, and faucet manufacturers are responding with eco-friendly finishes. Expect to see more recycled materials and water-based coating processes that reduce environmental impact without compromising durability and style. 10. Ultra-glossy chrome reinvented. While brushed finishes have dominated recent years, ultra-glossy chrome is making a comeback with enhanced scratch-resistant coatings. This modernized version of chrome offers a mirror-like shine while maintaining high durability against daily wear and tear. Kitchen faucet finishes in 2026 will cater to a diverse range of tastes, from bold and dramatic to classic and timeless. Whether you're drawn to the warmth of brass, the sleekness of black, or the innovation of smart coatings, these trends will ensure your kitchen remains stylish and functional.